The death toll in the train tragedy in Odisha's Balasore has climbed to 261, with the reports claiming that more than 900 people have been injured. Rescue operations have concluded, but relief work is still underway in Balasore. NDRF has said that initial probe suggests that around 17 coaches were derailed and both passenger trains were running on different tracks. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a high-level review meeting in New Delhi. He's likely to visit the accident spot anytime now. Railway Minister, on the other hand, Ashwini Vaishnav, took stock of the situation in Balasore, ordering a high-level probe. And Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik too visited the accident spot and met the injured victims at the hospital. While Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee has declared monetary compensation for the bereaved families. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also reached Balasore. Listen in to what she had to say.
Coromandel Express is one of the best express. मेरे को जो जानकारी है, मैं रेल मिनिस्टर में 3 दफे काम किया. मैं जो देखा अभी तक रेलवे में एक 20 शताब्दी का सबसे बड़ा इंसिडेंट है. 1981 में और एक बड़ा इंसिडेंट हुआ था बिहार में. हमारा टाइम में भी माओइस्ट एक इंसिडेंट बनाया था, वो हम सीआईडी को दे दिया, आज तक कुछ फल नहीं मिला. बात यही है कि रेलवे का सेफ्टी कमीशन है. जब रेलवे का ऐसा इंसिडेंट होता है तो रेलवे सेफ्टी कमीशन को दे देता है. वो लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते हैं और इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके रिपोर्ट देते हैं. था मैंने एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस तैयार किया था. मैं खुद मडगांव में गया था, गोवा में. तब से रेल का इंसिडेंट कम गया था. एक्सीडेंट एकदम वो ऐसा है एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस कि एक लाइन में 2 ट्रेन आ जाएगा तो उसमें रुक जाएगा. अगर कोई ट्रेन सामने पड़ा है तो रुक जाएगा. अगर कोई कुछ भी हो सकता है, एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस डाइवर्स हो जाएगा तो उसको अलर्ट करेगा. लेकिन मैं जब रेल मिनिस्टर इधर में है तो मैं यही कहने चाहूंगा, आप देख लीजिए, इसमें एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस नहीं लगाया. जितना तक मेरे का जानकारी है, अगर एंटी कॉल्यूशन डिवाइस लगाता था तो वही इंसिडेंट नहीं होता. अगर जो हो गया है, जिसका प्राण चला गया है, उसको जिंदगी तो नहीं मिलेगा. लेकिन अभी हमारा काम है रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन.
Well, our colleague Sameer Dikshit has been tracing this story since morning, and he brings us the latest updates. Joining now is Sameer on the phone line. Sameer, tell us what's the update on this story as of now. As we know, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reviewed the situation at a high-level meeting in terms of relief and medical attention that needs to be given to the people who have been affected in this collision. I think the line is patchy there, Sameer. Sameer, as we know that in this Odisha collision, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already held a review meeting, and he will be, of the ex gratia amount of 2 lakh rupees is offered to the people deceased, the next kin of the deceased, and 50,000 rupees to the injured. And as we know, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting the spot to take a stock of what the situation is at the hospital, as well as people who have met during this accident have been injured as well. Sameer, what's the latest on this?
So, Prime Minister has already left for the accident spot. He'll be reaching shortly. Firstly, he will be visiting the accident site, to the hospital to meet the victims. In addition to this, we have seen that earlier in the day, CM Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, he has already met the victims and assured of full medical assistance. CM West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, also visited the site and he assured that apart from the central government assistance, the state government, West Bengal, will also be providing financial assistance and medical assistance to the needy ones. Now, what led to the accident? What was the real cause? So, as to identify the answers to these questions, the government has already announced that a high-level committee will be investigating into the entire incident. In addition to this, an independent inquiry will also be conducted by CRS Commissioner Rail Safety. We have also seen that several questions were raised related to Kavach system or the anti-collision device. Union Railway Ministry has clarified that no Kavach or the safety mechanism was installed. Currently, Kavach system is being rolled out in phase-wise manner. Unfortunately, it was not there in this train and the entire route. So Kavach was not there. But as of now, the government is focusing on to provide the medical assistance. The rescue operation is over, and now the restoration work is going on. It is very likely that the restoration work will be over very soon, and then will, after getting the clearances from the right authorities, the train movement may start. But rescue operation has been totally over.
Right, Samir, quite a tragic incident, and perhaps if the collision system was in place, people could have been saved at this moment.